Okay, some of you may know Mordecai, my budgie. Well, I had to sell him, and today I got a Cockatiel, and I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, but I sure would like to hear from you guys. And it's because she has faded cheeks and not that many, but some stripes on the edges of her tail, like underneath. And she looks like this. Faded cheeks. They're orangish. I don't know if it has anything to do. She's playing with my necklace a lot. Wow. So I got her today, and she's already cuddling up on me. So, because if it's a boy, I would name it Ace. And if it's a girl, I would name it DJ. Which I really want it to be a girl, because she's like cuddling all over me. She's having so much fun. Anyway, so she is. They're really faded cheeks. She just did that weird sound at me. Like that. Anyway, so just contact me if it's a boy or girl. I really, like, very much really think she's a girl. But just checking. Yeah. So just checking if it's a boy or a girl. Put in the comments what you think it is, and the most votes on female or male, then I'll like get that. And you could tell me why, because I'd really like to know why. So yeah, just saying. Just having quite fun. So yeah, boy or girl, just tell me. See ya.